back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, a super tasty and really simple lentil salad. Kind of similar to an Ethiopian dish called Azifa, because it's got a mustard in it, which in Amharic is called salafich. It's really easy. I mean, like I say, tasty as hell. We've got some chili in there, so it's a bit spicy. The mustard is really quite strong. Lentils, goodness, vegetarian, healthy, vegan. Let's do it. So, let's do this, really simple. So I've got some green lentils there that I've washed and I've cooked them. The great thing about green lentils is they cook really fast. They'll boil and be beautifully soft in like sort of 10 minutes. Then we're gonna add a few little bits to this, so easy. So I've got some carrot there, I've diced really small. Same with onion, same with tomato. Here I've got some fresh coriander or cilantro. A little bit of fresh red chili or green chili, up to you. I mean, it's optional, you don't really have to do that. Now here I've got some mustard. This is English mustard. English mustard is very strong. It's quite a strong flavour, which is beautiful in this. Chopped garlic, and then equal parts of lemon or lime juice and olive oil. What we're going to do is get this all mixed together, touch of salt and pepper. It's done and delicious. So, little mixing bowl with our lentils in. Really simply, just start chucking it all in. I'm going for those carrots, like I say, cut really small. Tomatoes, onions, again really nice and small. Our cilantro or coriander, a nice generous pinch of salt, some black pepper, a ton of garlic, optional, fresh chili, and then equal parts of lemon or lime and a nice quality olive oil. Last thing to put in is that English mustard, which really is beautiful in here. So chuck it in there. We're simply going to give this a mix and it's done.